Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I have a great project to share with you all. It's a GameFi token. So let's move to our website. But before we begin, I want you all to please, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, so subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our website for today, and this is our project. It's Dragon Warrior. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Dragon Warrior V2, a play-to-earn game on Binance Smart Chain. We have their official contract address. You can get this contract address from their website. Then you can check game of Dragon Warrior on BSC Scan as well. There's a link to BSC Scan. You can buy their token from PancakeSwap and you can have their app as well. So let's check it out on BSC Scan first. So we have their official contract address. You can get this contract address from their website as well and from BSC Scan. The recent transaction you can check. So you have all the details of GON on BSC Scan and you can buy right from PancakeSwap. You just have to import the token and you can buy it. Okay, so let's move to our website. So the story behind Dragon Warrior is NFT play to earn game that creates fun and profitable environment for gamers and investors. We believe that our ecosystem will meet the needs of all players as well as investors around the blockchain world. Then it's a play to earn game you can play to earn. So Dragon Warrior is inspired by How to Train Your Dragon film series. Our mission is to create a transparent and fair game where our players can take full control of their digital assets which are earned through play to earn mechanism. Unlike traditional games, the most important point is that we want to create a project with the engagement of players so that we can grow together in the long term journey. We believe that our ecosystem will meet the needs of all players as well as investors around the blockchain world. So, Dragon Warrior features we build a set of NFT based characters and items to enhance our ecosystem. And you can have the NFT as well. You can collect these and their NFTs to play games. Our vision is to create a long term gaming environment for the players to enjoy their daily gaming quest. Dragon Warrior will enable millions of players to participate in the blockchain based gaming world in a simple, creative, and profitable way. From this point of view, we can prove that blockchain based gaming is the key to blockchain's mass adoption. Our features include play to earn, farming, and training mode that can be extended a tournament system. So we have a short video. You can check it out to know more about the project. And they have built a set of NFT based characters. You can collect that NFTs to use them. We have different types of characters of NFTs, so you can collect them to use them in game. Then Dragon Warrior versus Dragon. Then you can stake JON token to get BNB reward. Then Warrior versus Warrior Dragon training. All right, so we have written tutorial, text tutorial to know how we can play this game. First of all, you have to build your squad of warriors to participate in a game to enjoy the rewards in the most fascinating way. To get started, to participate in Dragon Warrior, you must have at least one warrior in your bag. You can own in a various ways, such as opening the warrior card, purchasing in game, purchasing warrior from marketplace, receiving from other players. So this is these are the steps from which you can get the warrior. The first step is you have to get the warrior to get started for the game. Then you have to start to play to earn, perform daily quests to acquire more geo and tokens. You can get more profit while you can tame a dragon and bring dragon with you in the battlefield. Then it's game circle, use geo and tokens to acquire more warriors with high level to enhance your profits with dragon warrior. So these are the simple steps from which you can play and you can earn GON tokens. All right, so these are the characters, the NFT characters. You can check it out. Then it's weapons. Now we have their tokenomics, their token distribution details. So the total supply is 10 million from which private sale is 10%, for public sale 20%, airdrop 3%, for teaming 9%, for ecosystem and fun marketing 5%, liquidity 12%, and play to earn 41%. We have their roadmap to know more about their planning in future and what they have already done, what they are planning to do in future to make this project a good level, to make this project a moonshot. So phase one was of project seed founded, then the team ideas brainstorming, market research, white paper writing, gameplay design, game architecture design. These are the things that they have already done. Then in phase two, demonstration, NFT warrior design, NFT dragon design, NFT dragon blood design, gameplay development, gameplay testing, and game platform and web testing beta version. In phase three, community building, done marketing, airdrop camping, contract auditing, private public sale, NFTs launching, DX listing, they have listed in PancakeSwap, and now they will be applying for marketplace launching, and then CoinGecko listing and CoinMarketCap listing. So they will be listing in CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko really soon, and then they will be applying for more CX listing, PvP mode releasing, staking and farming releasing, boss event releasing, tournament race release, influencer marketing, game platform expanding, gameplay expanding, and mobile app version developing. Then in phase six, more CX listing, mobile app version testing, mobile app version releasing, and influencer marketing. So they will be doing more marketing, and they have planned all type of development, etc. They have mentioned everything in roadmap. You can check it out from their website. So we'll know what they will be doing in future, what they have already planned, what they have already done, and what they want to achieve. Okay, so they have smart contract audit. You can check all the details right from here. Dragon Warrior smart contract has been audited successfully by Solid Proof. So we have their details as well. Then we have the social channel links. We have link to their Twitter, Medium, Telegram. You have their social YouTube channel as well. So you must have to follow them on their social channels to know more about the project, to stay updated about the upcoming things in project, about their games, etc. You can join the telegram community, so you will be notified about all the upcoming things, and you will be the part of their team, their investors, and you can get in touch with them, and you have a better info about their project, etc. You have white paper. You can download their white paper right from their website, and you can read this to know more about the project, to get on in detail information about their project. So let's follow them on Twitter as well. All right, so this is the Twitter page, Dragon Warrior, the best blockchain game on BSC, that tells the story about the war between Warrior and Dragon. You have link to their Telegram channel, their Telegram group, chat group. You can join. Then welcome Dragon Warriors. We're thrilled to announce the public sale to community. Our public sale will be unencrypted with the FCFC basis. The public sale link that was on 22 September. So these are the previous links. You can check it out from their website, all the tweets, private sale, etc. So to be notified about all the upcoming things on time, you must have to follow them on those social channels. So you will be notified on time about their updates, if they start any type of giveaways, etc. So you must have to follow them on their social channels. So this was our website for today. I hope you like the website. I will provide the link in the description, so you can go through it. You can do your own research, and if you're satisfied, so you can invest in it. If you like the website, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.